Hai, nama saya Dr. Nur Adila. Hari ini saya bukan sebagai seorang doktor tapi sebagai seorang pelanggan kepada New York Skin Solution. Sebelum saya datang ke New York Skin Solution, masalah kulit saya ada burn, even tone dengan ada parut-parut jerawat, hyperpigmentation. Boleh nampak bekas sebelum ni saya try buat laser but it doesn't suit me. Previously, my confidence at lower bottom one. Saya langsung tak confident saya akan makeup tebal, saya akan macam nak keluar rumah, even nak ambil barang daripada Shopee, Lazada pun I was like, saya nak tunggu sekejap baru keluar. Saya sangat menyesal previous treatment yang tu, but our consultant herself dia cakap kalau benda ni dia tak promise akan jadi 100% better, but she can try. I put my trust in her, I try. I'm proud of it. This is my previous one, this is my latest one. Previously, saya dah pernah pergi banyak tempat untuk buat skincare treatment and everything. This is the first time that saya rasa puas hati dengan step by step things done by the consultant ni. Daripada awal, dia perkenalkan saya dengan produk, dengan jenis skin tone saya dan things that she's going to introduce me and done for my treatment lah. Instead of hydrating, I'm doing a collagen treatment for myself. So this is my 4th time, I'm going to my 5th time. Memang nampak perubahan ketara. Actually for the first time I did, the next day I went to work, orang dah ada tegur, nampak muka beza sikit lah. And then after few more trial, memang nampak beza sangat-sangat. Even previously I akan makeup, heavy makeup, because I want to like cover semua uneven tone, my hyperpigmentation, my scar, my pimples. After few tries, my makeup I don't need to wear much. I can even wear like pakai sunblock, put some light powder and then some blusher, and then that's all. For me, because I'm a doctor, I don't trust injection. I don't trust this chemical and all. Initially, before I grabbed the promotion, of course I did my research and I found out that you guys promised me that for every treatment, you guys going to approach naturally. So because of that, I think why not I try first. I know my condition and my things and the solution is not that simple. I try the collagen. So after I try the collagen, I feel satisfied by that, because the treatment that I have been previously ada chemical peeling, ada laser, so it's not satisfying as this one. Sebagai doktor, consistency is the key for everything, even with your health. Kesihatan pun penting. Even kalau kata nak kulit cantik, nak sihat, nak everything, you need consistency. Bila nampak je perubahan for the first time, second time, third time, I'm thinking continuing, because if there is no consistency, tak mustahil satu hari nanti I akan kembali kepada yang sebelum ni. I akan rosakkan kembali kulit, sebab dengan treatment yang ada ni lah yang I can maintain the look actually. For me, based on my experience, sebab tu saya setuju untuk bagi review saya, memang saya rasa puas hati. Actually, muka saya yang berubah daripada yang ni pun baru kali ke-5, which is today kali ke-5 tu. Dah nampak perubahan sangat-sangat ketara, which is everyone that meet me previously dengan muka ini akan vouch. Yes, previously she doesn't look like this. Okay, that's why I think berbaloi untuk try.